Hello everyone and welcome back to another midweek technical look. And this week we are going to have a look at gold prices, US500, Bitcoin, that they had some strong upside movements as after Fed independence and Trump budget moves steer market. So we're going to have a look at the important movements that we had, especially during yesterday's session and the previous days. As we can see from gold prices, it reached a new all-time high, slightly below the 3900, which is this next strong immediate resistance level to have in mind, as it is the next strong psychological mark. So we can see that the market is recording the 6th consecutive green day. It holds well above the 3800 level, and the 3900 will be the next crucial line. Even higher, the 4000, it will be another strong obstacle for traders. But if we see at the technical oscillators, we can see that the stochastic, it posted a bearish crossover between its percentage K and percentage D line, suggesting that we are having an overstretched market and we may see a bearish correction. So if the price retreats, the first support will come from 3790, even lower from 3740, which is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of this down leg here, from the peak at 3500 to the lows at 3120, and even lower at 3700. So also we can create this short-term uptrend line that the price is holding above it, and it continues this steep upward movement. Now the MACD is holding well above its trigger and zero lines, but the momentum right now is weaker than before, and the RSI is also holding well above the 70 region, but is currently flattening. So we don't have to exclude from the equation that we may see a bearish correction in the market before continuing and reaching the next round numbers. Now, having a look at Bitcoin, that it also moved higher after the strong rebound of this long-term uptrend line and the 108,700 region, and it also surpassed the short-term SMAs and penetrated the 118,000 region. So any closing day above this line here, then it may open the way for the next round numbers, such as the 120, and even higher, it may reach the all-time peak at 124,500,000 mark. Now to the downside, only if there is a break below this support area of 107,400 and 108,700, it may switch the outlook to a more neutral one and meeting the 200 DSMA around the 105,200. Now the technical oscillators, the MACD is holding above the zero line and is strengthening its positive momentum. The RSI is holding well above the 50 region, is approaching the 70 area. So both of them are confirming that we may see some more upside movements in the market. And now let's have a look at US100, that it also created a new all-time high around the 24,861, and it is still holding above this uptrend line that it has been drawn since April. The price is moving higher, and the next round numbers, such as the 25,000 region, will be another tough resistance for traders ahead of the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of this downward movement from the peak in February until the lows in April at 25,900. Now, if there is a movement below the uptrend line, the price, it may touch the 3D SMA at 24,327, and even lower the 24,000 as support, and the 50-day SMA around the 23,700 line. Now the technical oscillators here, the stochastic is still moving higher above the 80 region. The RSI crossed above the 70 level and is pointing upwards. However, the MACD is moving sideways near its trigger line and above the zero area. So we may see the market weakening its upside momentum, but the direction for now is still positive as the market is creating new highs. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.